Go to whatever's your favorite search engine, it's Google, and search for Befunky. These guys are the best. And no, I'm not that famous to have been paid to say that, they really are cool. Go to create and then collage. You'll be landed here. There's a lot of customization that you can do here for free. You can delete cells if you don't need that many. There's also this library of pre-saved layouts, but they're for the rich kids only. We got to do the work to make it work. Adding a picture is as simple as dragging and dropping onto a cell. Then you can also edit that individual picture. Then there's also these customizations. You can also upload pictures from your computer, of course. When you're at ease, you shall go to that save button over there and, well, save it. Because why else go through all that, right? Ha, bruh. I gotta stop being so funny one of these days. People are dying over here. Anywho. You can select any of these types and then save locally on your machine. And that's how you make a collage without being one of those rich kids who actually pay Adobe for just that. A moment of silence and then sacrifice to a quick S. Bro. Sir. Or madam. Sister. Okay. Bye. Now.